Guys, we got another two squirrel. 4K.
What?
Wow.
Squirrel drumstick. Alright guys, we're ready to hunt. It's time to go hunt. Alright guys, so right now we are in the wood, as you guys can see. No sign of squirrel right now, but I'm gonna just wait here for a little bit longer. Alright guys, I'll see you guys. Go ahead. Alright guys, so I hear a squirrel barking right now. Let's see if we can get him. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go get it right now. I can hear like a couple of squirrels running around on my left side, but I got, ah shoot, damn, I gotta get this one first before I lose it. Alright, so drop him right here. See that? Yeah, these squirrels are huge. So big. Okay. Look at this mushroom, guys. These are edible. Whew. I wish I could take it home, but squirrel hunting today, so yeah, next time. So excited. Man, I'm so happy to get my second squirrel. Yeah, he's done. Damn, these squirrels are big. They are huge. Wow. Drop him. Yes. Alright guys, so I just dropped another squirrel. It's squirrel number 3. Oh, this place is a lot of squirrel, but they are so smart. Smart squirrel. Alright guys, so we got our squirrel right here. Oh wow. These squirrels over here are huge. They are so big. Look. Oh wow. Drop it. Oh, right here. Oh, look at this. Man, these squirrels are huge, guys. I'm telling you, they are big. Look. Alright. Guys, we got another 2 squirrel. Oh, that is the limit. Just look at this. Oh my goodness. one. Ain't going nowhere. Clean shot. Beautiful. Keep jumping. Let's go see. Oh, my hand is so shaking, guys. And he fell. Oh, we got it. We got it, guys. Oh my goodness, look. That's a clean shot. That is a clean shot, guys. Alright, guys. Lucky day, you know. We got our limit. 5 squirrel. Squirrel number 5. Oh, we got a 5 squirrel, guys. So happy. Yeah, my brother got his limit today. Oh my goodness, look. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5. Congratulations. I'm so happy for him. Yeah, I only got one. I only got one. Time to cook. Here's my chef. We're gonna cook 2 squirrels. Do 4K.
What are we doing?
You recording 4K?
No. Okay.
Good money. We're about to cook some squirrel.
How?
We're gonna cook 2 squirrel. We're gonna boil a squirrel today. Right? You wanna boil squirrel or deep fry squirrel? You want a deep fry squirrel?
But like,
This one.
if I just go in the ass. That's it.
Dude, chillax, man.
Okay.
Good time. Yep, we got our squirrel meat over here. And then the stomach, how do you call it? And then we got our ingredient over here. Lime leaf, fried chili, and then lemongrass, ginger, garlic, onion, and then I don't know how to call this. Alright. Alright. We got oil in right now. Cut. You record? Alright, now we're gonna put in lemongrass, onion, garlic, galanga into the hot oil. Let's stir it for a little bit. secret ingredient. So hungry.
Salty.
Yes, that one is very salty. Yeah. There's squirrel meat in. Yes, sir. This guy cannot wait to eat, man. Look yummy.
See what's there in my hand.
Okay.
What? Oops.
We cooking squirrel poop.
How? Let me see.
Squirrel poop over here. Tastes yummy.
You sure that's our poop?
These are the poop. Look, the poop come down here. So yummy.
Man. What's down here?
What?
What's down there?
What's down what? Yeah.
What?
What?
Maybe put you in there too.
Yeah.
Oh, squirrel meal almost cooked. Oh wow. Smell it through the phone.
You hungry? He got 5 score today, guys. He's so happy. You happy? Wow. Looks so good. And I'm so hungry. Alright, guys. We about to eat right now. Look at this squirrel meat. Oh. Looks so good.
Let me see you first.
Huh? What? Squirrel meat so yummy. Get your plate. No.
No, you eat it.
Get your stuff first. Okay, I'm about to get some soup. And then some yum. My mouth is so watery.
See you guys later. Sure.
Yeah. Honey. Good.
Yummy.
Yummy? Yummy. Hey, my tummy.
Okay.
Oof. It's so good. Squirrel meat. I got some liver and then the heart.
Mm.
That's so good. Squirrel drumstick.
So hot, so tight.
It's hard. Mmm. Good.
Mm.
Don't break your teeth.